Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, ScooterATVSales.com. Hope everyone's doing well, subscribers and customers. So I wanted to add some transparency here when ordering online, or if there's a storefront, a dealer storefront, ordering vehicles from all the Chinese manufacturers. This could be any manufacturer from any brand, but wanted to give you an idea when you do order online, what the possibilities of a vehicle being defective. It does happen, and I want to point out this to you guys. Now again, if there's a storefront in your local area, always go to your local dealer and purchase these vehicles. It's always the best value for you guys. If you don't have that opportunity, then order online, of course, but know what you're up against at times. And you'll always remember too, these do arrive partially assembled. You do have to set them up, and instructions are not included. So there's a certain amount of accountability that we all have to take when ordering online. That's why they are a little less online. So right in front of me right now, I have a green Thunder 50 by TaoTao Motors. Now this vehicle arrived to us, it's brand new, and we sell a lot of these, you guys. So now what has happened here, it was a defective motor from the start. So TaoTao Motors is great with their dealers, particularly with their high volume dealers with warranty issues. So they did send us a replacement motor, but the pistons and the transmission was completely frozen. This is the brand new motor here I have in front of me. This is what it looks like when it's pulled out of the scooter. As you can see here, you have the wheel attached. These are the 120/70/12 wheels attached to this here. It's the QMB 139. This is the long case, correct?
Yes.
Long case motor here on the Thunder 50. As you can see, this is a brand new motor we have to install on this vehicle. Now, TaoTao Motors does not provide any sort of dealer support in regard to labor. So this is something that dealers have to eat on their own. And keep in mind, when you order online, this is something you're responsible as well, because labor is not included. So if there was a frozen motor on the vehicle that you did order, you would have to find somebody to install this because the labor is not included. So this is what you're up against when ordering a motorized vehicle this size, particularly online. I always tell folks to stay away from that. I've been doing this for 15 years now or more, and I've seen it all. So again, this is a brand new Thunder 50. As soon as we're done, this will be placed in our showroom, up for sale. Again, brand new motor we're installing. This is what it looks like when it's pulled out, as you can see. And you can see that the Thunder 50, what I like best about this vehicle, it has dual shocks in the back, has the 120/70/12 wheels. Again, it's listed and rated as a moped and gets registered as a moped. So you got a good, steady, sturdy chassis with the dual shocks, unlike the VIP or the ATM 50A1. Those have mono shocks in the back, but this is what it looks like here with the motor out. Gives you guys a little transparency on how it all looks. And this is the engine here we're going to replace and install and get this puppy up and running. This is with what it looks like with the bucket out. Here you have the gas tank, of course, here. This is the locking gas cap here. It's about approximately a 1.2 gallon gas tank. This is the Thunder 50. Again, currently they are out of stock on these. TaoTao right now is completely out of stock on all ATVs. They did have a new arrival of dirt bikes, but those are all sold already. So definitely manufacturing has been moving slow. So we got our lead tech on this today. We got Adam here, so he's going to install this puppy, get this done with, and then we'll test it, tune it, and make sure everything's copacetic, and then put it out in the showroom. So again, this was defective from the start, and again, this is something you have to expect at times. It's rare, but it does happen. So keep in mind, you just never know when you open that crate, you don't know what to expect. And again, you are accountable when you order these online for the complete setup and labor or any type of shipping fees that are required for a replacement or defective motor. So keep that in mind here. I also want to show you guys the Apollo Commander, little mini Commander, I have in front of me right now. This had a defective valve in it, so we did have to replace a valve on this motor. Again, this was from the factory. Again, this is something we do. We don't get reimbursed by Apollo whatsoever. It's just what we do as goodwill for our customers. So this is stuff that we take care of and we have to eat as a dealer. We do not get reimbursed. A lot of the major brands, Polaris or these other larger major brand companies, Honda, etc., dealer franchises, they do get reimbursed for labor. We do not get reimbursed. TaoTao probably does the best out of all part support for dealers nationwide in regards of defective parts. So again, we did this on our own at our own expense as goodwill for a local customer. And this one's done, ready to go. It sounds and runs better than it did when they purchased it. So we took care of this one, and then we'll go from there. So again, you guys, ScooterATVsales.com. Again, we are short in inventory because everything was sold out, and inventory is really hard to replenish right now. I did want to show you also one other vehicle. This again was Apollo ATV right here. This is the Micro 110 I have in front of me. This as well came defective in the box. The total front end has to be replaced on it. So again, these are the things you are up against when you order online. Again, as a local dealer, we take care of all this. Again, we were able to get a hold of Apollo. They were cooperative. They understand. They did send us some parts for this. Again, we have to eat the labor to do this. So again, this one here out of the box, brand new. There's some damage on the body kit as well from the shipping and freight company. So look, as you can see here, the foot guard over here on the right side is cracked, and then that was from the shipping company. So that has to be tended to as well. Again, the front end though was from the factory, so you got a double hit here. One from the freight company, and then you have it from the factory again. The front end needs to be replaced. Apollo sent us some parts so we can replace it. Again, this is what you have to deal with when ordering online. So always keep that in mind. Hi, look at what I have here in front of me. I got a lot of cables and belts for scooters over here. So if you guys need some belts for your scooters, let us know. ScooterATVparts.com. We got belts of all size. We drop ship nationwide, only in the United States, so keep that in mind. We got cables here as well, and we got some tires. So again, ScooterATVsales.com. If you guys need any vehicles, please call before ordering right now, because inventory is so fluid in all Chinese brands right now. And I did talk to some of my colleagues in the major brand, and that is being affected as well. So keep that in mind. Call before ordering, and hope all is well. ScooterATVsales.com, ScooterATVparts.com if you need parts. And we'll see you guys soon. Take care. Bye-bye.